Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is the mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. So today, we are stepping into the energy of temperance. Take a breath and let tarot speak to us. Alright, let's picture this. A serene angel stands at the edge of a calm blue pool. One red wing stretches towards the light. The other gently falls in like a resting heartbeat. The angel's right foot dips into the water. It's a world of emotion and the subconscious. The left foot stays steady on solid ground, meaning the realm of daily life and practical reality. In each hand, the angel holds a golden cup. Water flows between them in a magic upward arc, defying gravity. It's an eternal dance of blending, balancing, and transforming. Behind the angel, there is a narrow path winds into the distance, rising toward violet mountains. A glowing golden light between two peaks, that's a spiritual doorway calling us forward. At the angel's chest, a square inside a glowing triangle shines bright. It's the harmony of the four elements: earth, air, fire, and water, all working together as one. And at the shoreline, delicate purple irises bloom, proving that healing and beauty are already taking root. So, what does it mean in a reading? When it appears upright, it's a quiet message, saying, take your time, mix slowly, and stay centered. This card is all about balance, moderation, and the art of creative blending. Maybe you are building a partnership, starting a healing journey, or juggling different aspects of life. Temperance reminds you, let things merge naturally. Don't rush the process. Hot and cold, light and shadow. Even in joy and grief, they can coexist and even complement each other. It's a perfect card for finding your own rhythm again. When it shows up reversed, it gently signals that something is out of sync. You might be overdoing it. Too much work, too many opinions, too little rest, or maybe you are resisting something that needs to be integrated. Are you ignoring one part of yourself in the favor of another? Or is one voice dominating when collaboration is needed? Reverse the card says, pause, recalibrate, and most of all, be kind to yourself in the process. So, how can we live with temperance's wisdom every day? Here are a few gentle practices. Try the 80% rule. Whether it's eating, working, or even socializing, stop before you are overloaded. Leave space for flow. Blend instead of battling. Don't force one side to win. Try combining ideas and let something new emerge. Schedule slow time, a quiet walk, a mindful cup of tea, or a few deep breaths can rebalance your whole energy. Notice your natural rhythm. When do you feel energized? When do you crash? Ride the waves instead of fighting them. Temperance doesn't ask for perfection, just a presence. A little more peace here, a little more patience there, till everything starts to roll again. So, are you ready to mix your magic and let balance lead the way? In our next episode, we'll meet the devil, the card that shines a light on the chains we are more than ready to break. If today's message speaks to you, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, stay grounded, stay flowing, and let tarot speak to you.